9. Ink of the Soul. I've always been word-struck, enchanted by the mystique that surrounds them, the secrets they hold, and the worlds they create. When I was in grade 2, I wrote a short essay, the kind only a child in their second year of school back in the 1970s could write. My teacher, thrilled with my work, sent me to the grade 3 class to read it aloud. I beamed with pride. Our local library was a trusted friend. I devoured books, often finishing one a day. My imagination soared as I immersed myself in characters, storylines, and plots. If you wanted to find me, I'd be nose deep in a book. At university, I majored in English, solidifying my love for the language, which surpassed my affinity for Afrikaans, my mother tongue. I briefly explored journalism and excelled. However, Henny didn't share my passion for creative writing. He dismissed it as unprofitable and a waste of time. I gradually wrote less and less, burying my passion under responsibility and duty. On 18 August 1998, I found myself in the veld outside Oudtshoorn with a book and pen, feeling an intuitive urge to write. A beautiful channeled message spilled onto the paper. I was in awe, wondering who this voice was and why it spoke to me. This marked the beginning of a transformative journaling journey spanning many journals. I learned to trust the voice and built a beautiful spiritual relationship. Alyushika became my sacred name. On 16 November 2001, I was prompted to visit the local cemetery, where I wrote, Alyushika, today you sit at the beginning and end of your life. It is death and birth in me simultaneously. Believe as I show you. Your destiny as Marenda Koch would have been early sexual molestation and death, a short, troubled life. You were redeemed from that fate through financial means, sold for gain. That's why prosperity eluded you. You felt enslaved to money. This morning, I take your destiny into me and transform it. I wash away your past, your destiny as an adopted child in the earthly realm, and anoint you with the awe-inspiring fragrance of my presence. I reconcile Marenda Koch, Elmarie Coetzee, and Alyushika within me, uniting you in wholeness. We are one. Alyushika, my gift to you is the faith I have in you, the seed I've given you this morning. It's the faith that you will reach your destiny in me, fulfilling the true and full potential of all I've placed within you. I have faith in you. Let it sink in. After writing the above, I lay on my back on a grave. I experienced being taken into divinity, dying and coming to life. I felt formed and experience divinity's guidance as I received the genes intended for me. No, not this one. Give her that one. The encounter left an indelible imprint. A gentle whisper etched on my soul. Its meaning wasn't clear, yet its impact resonated deeply. I safeguarded it as a sacred revelation.